Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert an SD card into your Insta360 X5. To insert a micro SD card, first you'll need to take the battery out. To do it, squeeze these two locks with your fingers. The battery is going to pop out. Take it out. Then here you can see the SD card spot. Put it in so the logo goes towards the battery, like that. Then use your finger to click it in, and now it's in. You can put the battery in, and now turn the camera on. You'll see how there is now the SD card installed. You can see it in top left corner. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.